Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Kumawat and I'm working as product development engineer at RoboSiddhi. So first of all, thank you for being here and taking the first step towards advanced robotics. So in this course, I'm going to teach you from basic to advanced level about ROS. So over the past years, I've been involved in developing from basic to advanced level of robots. So one thing that I have found about robots is it's not about hardware, it's not about sensors, it's not about motors or actuators. It's about making things intelligent, making machines intelligent. So that's how we use ROS. ROS is a tool which is going to help you a lot in building nodes. Nodes will communicate to each other, then you will have to program them, and it's not that complicated. It might sound very complicated, like a rocket science about robots, but robots are very simple once you learn ROS. So, ROS is all about connecting nodes, and you don't need a lot of things to understand ROS. So, there are so basic entry level towards this course. You just need to know some basic programming rules, some basic Linux, and you must need to have a PC. That's how you are going to learn ROS. And then in this entire course, I'll be your instructor and I will teach you from basic to advanced level of ROS. So with that said, let's begin this incredible course about ROS and let's begin this adventure. In this adventure, I will teach you a lot of robotics fundamentals and I will teach you a lot of robotics operations. So first of all, let me tell you how ROS help. So imagine there's a robot. The robot is going to pick some stone and throw it. So it might sound a little bit complicated. There are so many servos. You have to program each servo. You have to do kinematics of how the robot is going to pick that object, then how it's going to lift it up and then throw it again. So this is going to be a lot of programming for you guys. But with ROS, it's very easy. You just have to create nodes and you just have to decide how the nodes are going to work. So let's begin this course and see you in next lesson.